Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to another tutorial, and today I'm gonna be showing you how to create watermark or signature to add on your pictures. First, let's go to Photoshop. I have it open here, and we need to export the file with PNG because we don't need any background to be on it. Also, you can draw your signature or you can write your signature, it doesn't matter. I'm gonna write anything here, like hello. Let's change the size. And let's change the color also to go to file, export, export as PNG, export all. Let's go save. Then let's go to Lightroom and click on file, export, scroll down to watermark, edit watermark, check graphic, choose the file and go desktop, find the file, and from here you can choose change the size, add the name, then export. Right, and let's go find it. Here's a photo and here's the signature. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and smash a like if you find this video useful. See you next video.